Hi guys, this is another session in the series of Stay at Home, Be a Hero. We will try to help you go through this coronavirus lockdown so that you can break the chain and make sure that we all come out safe during this period of time. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. Please do subscribe to this channel. You can leave your comments, feedback regarding this video and any other video on our channel, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. If you would like, please do subscribe to our courses as well. The link is available in the description. Let's get on with it. Hi, this is basically a set which is on selections, and if you look at the questions, the data may not be complete. All the questions as cannot be determined, etc. has an answer. Okay, so I'll suggest you pause this video here, look at the questions, try to solve it on your own. The link to the PDF is available in the description of this video. Once you have tried this, then proceed with the rest of this video. The season finale of Splitsvilla 43, season 43 is upon us, okay? 5 boys, Ranbir, Aryan, Shubham, Rahul and Vikrant, and 5 girls, Kriti, Deepika, Zareen, Aditi and Shivani have qualified. In the previous rounds, each of the 5 boys had been paired with exactly 2 of these 5 girls, right? For the final, each boy has to be paired with 1 girl that he had not been paired in the earlier rounds. But the competition is not that simple. In order to be paired with a girl, a boy has to get an intro from one of the boys that the girl had been paired with in the earlier round. Then you have some information which is given to us. So for each boy, you have to find out in the previous rounds who he had been paired with, right? So there are 2 people who he has been paired with, 2 of the girls he has been paired with. Then for the final, you have to find paired in the final. And there is also this concept of intro, right? Right. And if you look at the questions, it says who is paired with Aditi, if Vikrant, if Rahul, if Aditi. So basically, the information will only be partially known, right? You may not be able to figure out the full information. So let's create a table of sorts. This is like a selection sort of a thing, right? And see what we can figure out from the given scenario. Okay, so 2 girls he has been paired with earlier, final pair and intro by who. Okay, so this we know. Okay, each girl was paired at least once with one of the 5 boys in the previous round, and no 2 boys were paired with the same set of girls, right? So what does this mean? This means that if, say, for example, Ranbir, right, Ranbir is paired with Kriti and Deepika, right, then nobody else can be paired with Kriti and Deepika. You might be paired with Kriti, you might be paired with Deepika, but not Kriti and Deepika in the previous 2 rounds, right? What it also means is that each girl was paired at least once, right? So there will not be a scenario where each boy would be paired with each boy will be paired among like 4 girls only, right? Each boy is paired with only one of these 4 girls. So suppose Shivani is not paired at all, right? That scenario will not happen. If that is possible also, that scenario will not happen. Okay. Now, which also means that every girl should come at least once in this pairings, right? There might be girls who might come twice, who might come thrice or 4 times. We don't know. But every girl should appear at least once in these 10 cells, right? At least once in these 10 cells. Okay, the second one says Deepika was paired thrice in the previous round, whereas other girls were paired at most twice in the previous round. Now, each boy has 2 pairs, right? So suppose say Ranbir is with Kriti and Deepika, Aryan is with say Deepika and Zareen, Shubham is with say Kriti and Zareen, and so on, right? So when you add for the boys, each one would have 2 pairs. So 2 into 5 would be 10, right? Now, for the girls also, if you add the number of cells, the girls will appear 10 times. But Deepika comes 3 times. Deepika comes 3 times, right? All among Zareen, Aditi, Kriti and Shivani. They cannot come more than twice. Right, so if we add this adds up to 11. Right, 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 3, 11. But we need only 10, which means one of the girls will come only once. Right, it can be Shivani, it can be Kriti, it can be Aditi, it can be Zareen. One of them will come once, the other three will come 3 times. Right, because for 2 girls to come once, then one of these 2s should turn to 3. Right, that is not possible because only Deepika comes thrice, everyone else comes at most twice. So that scenario will be violated here. So we know one girl comes once, Deepika comes thrice, the other 3 girls come 2 times each. Okay, continuing further. 2 or more girls cannot be paired with the same boy in the final, and each boy can give an intro to only one other boy in the final. Now let's see what this means. 2 or more girls cannot be paired with the same boy in the final. Now, if you look at it, Deepika has been paired 3 times, whereas one more girl was paired only once. So not everyone was paired equal number of times in the previous rounds, right? But in the final, everyone will be paired once because nobody can be paired. 2 or more girls cannot be paired with the same boy, right? Similarly, every boy has to be paired with only one girl only, right? So everyone will get one pair in the final. Okay. Further, it says each boy can give an intro to only one other boy in the final. Right. So to give you an example, suppose Ranbir is paired with Kriti and Deepika. Right. And say Aryan is in the final with Kriti and Shubham is with Deepika. So Ranbir cannot get intro to both of them. He can either give to Kriti, to Aryan or to Shubham, but he cannot give to both of them. Right. He cannot give to both of them. Right, which also means that every boy will give intro to one boy, right? Because there are 5 boys and 5 intros need to be given, right? So every boy will give intro to one boy only. Okay, continuing. Both Shubham and Vikrant had been paired with Aditi in the previous round, and one of them gave intro to Ranbir. Okay, Shubham and Vikrant had been paired with Aditi in the previous round. Shubham is with Aditi, right? Vikrant is also with Aditi once. Now, which also means that Aditi's 2 sets are done. See, there are girls, Deepika gives 3 times, is paired 3 times. One girl is paired only once. The other 3 are the other 3 are paired twice, right? One of those 2 is Aditi. One of those 3 is Aditi because Aditi cannot be the one person. 3 is already Deepika. So we have already placed one of them. Continuing further, it says that one of them gives an intro to Ranbir. So Ranbir gets an intro from either Shubham or Vikrant. Now, this does not mean that Aditi will be paired with Ranbir, right? So you can have Zareen with Shubham and final pair will be with Ranbir. Or you can have Deepika with Vikrant and he might have given a intro to Ranbir, right? Anything is possible. It doesn't guarantee. So Aditi might be one of the final pair, but not a necessary condition, right? Okay. Let's look at the next one. Rahul is paired with Shivani in the finals, but he can get an intro from only one boy, right? Which means Shivani was the girl who basically was with paired only once, right? So Shivani was the girl who was paired only once, right? And Rahul is paired with Shivani in the finals. So we know about, right? Okay, we need to know who this person is who can give an intro to this. We'll come back to this later. Okay. Ranbir is not paired with Kriti in the previous round and is paired with Deepika in the finals. Okay, Ranbir is paired with Deepika. Now, as we discussed, it is not necessary that Aditi will be there, which also means that one of these 2 has to be paired with Deepika. One of these 2 has to be paired with Deepika. We don't know this. We'll come back to this later on. Now, let's explore the rest of the statement further. It says Ranbir was not paired with Kriti in the previous round. So Kriti cannot come in any of these two cells. Right, so who can come? Deepika cannot come because Deepika is in the final with Ranbir. And in the final, a boy has to be paired with a girl. He has not been paired in the earlier round. So Deepika cannot come here. Kriti cannot come here. Who is left? You have Zareen, Aditi, and Shivani. Right. If you look at it, Aditi also cannot come because Aditi has to be paired twice. Right. And both her pairings are done. One with Shubham, one with Vikrant. Right. So even Aditi cannot come. So the two people who will be paired with Ranbir are Zareen and Shivani. Now Shivani is paired only once. Right? We have figured this out. Shivani is paired only once. So Rahul is getting an intro from Ranbir to Shivani. Okay, so this part is also taken care of. Now, continuing further, if you look at Aditi, Aditi has to be paired with one of the persons in the final. It cannot be Shubham because she has already been paired earlier. It cannot be Vikrant because she has already been paired earlier. Rahul is already paired with Shivani. Ranbir is already paired with Deepika. So Aryan will go with Aditi. Okay, so we basically have taken care of Aditi's all possibilities. Right. All we need to do is who will introduce Aditi. Right. Aditi had been paired earlier with Shubham and Vikrant. So this has to be Shubham or Vikrant. So these two, one of them will be Shubham, one of them will be Vikrant. So between these two, it will be, one of them will be, Ranbir is done. So one of them will be Rahul, other will be Aryan. So this will be Rahul or Aryan. This will be Rahul and Aryan. Now we can also figure out for Shubham and Vikrant who they will be paired with. The leftover girls are Zareen and Kriti. So this will be Zareen or Kriti. This will be Zareen or Kriti. Right. Now, based on who they are paired with, we'll have to figure out these numbers. Okay. So let's see what else is left. We know Deepika is paired 3 times. Deepika was paired 3 times. Right. So Deepika should come 3 times. Right. Now, Deepika cannot come with both of them. Why it cannot come with both of them? If you read the statement, right, it is known that no two boys had been paired with the same set of girls. Now, if Deepika was in both of them, right, then both of them will have the same pair, Aditi and Deepika, Aditi and Deepika. Right. So Deepika can at most come once here, either with Shubham or with Vikrant. But Deepika has to appear 3 times, which means Deepika will definitely have been paired with Aryan and Rahul, both of them. Right. So Deepika. So 1, 2, and 1 out of these 2 will be 3. Now, what does that leave us with? The second person here will be Deepika is done. So we have, okay, let's just tabulate. Deepika, we have done 2 out of 3. Zareen, we have done 1 out of 2. Shivani, we have completed. Aditi, we have completed. Kriti, we have not put anywhere. Right. Now, who will be this person? This person can be either Zareen or Kriti. We cannot be sure this is Zareen. We cannot be sure this is Kriti. Any one out of Zareen or Kriti will come. Now, who will be the person here? This will also be Zareen or Kriti. So if Zareen comes here, Kriti will come here. If Zareen comes here, Kriti will come here. Right. So this takes care of, one of these 2 will take care of the remaining part of Zareen. Right. And it will take out, one of these 2 will account for 1 out of 2 of Kriti. Right. So where will the second appearance of Kriti be? Either with Deepika here or here. Right. So for instance, if Kriti comes here, it will break this tie. We know Zareen will come here. Right. But we still cannot break this tie. Right. So Kriti will be pretty odd way to figure out. If Kriti comes here, then we will have to figure out this tie. We know because Aryan was with Kriti, then okay, again one of these two will be Aryan or Kriti. So we will not be able to figure out ties here. So there is nothing much we can do beyond this. Only thing we need to do is these two will break one tie, these two will break a 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 tie, right? So others are set, but these ties are probably what the questions are also going to be. If you read the questions, if they are all ties which are there, right? So let's go to the questions one by one. There's nothing much we can do about it, and try to solve. Okay, I have written down the ties here. So these two break a tie, 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 these two break a tie. Okay. Okay. Question number 1: who is paired with Aditi in the finals? Aditi in the finals is Aryan. That is known for sure. Option A. Pretty straightforward. Let's go to the next one. If Vikrant gave the intro to Ranbir, Vikrant gave the intro to Ranbir, which means this is Vikrant, which means Vikrant had been paired with Deepika earlier. So Vikrant had been paired with Deepika earlier. So this will be Kriti. Since this is Vikrant, this will be Shubham. Okay. Now, because Shubham has already gone with Kriti earlier, he cannot go with Kriti again. So Shubham will go with Zareen and Vikrant will go with Kriti. Vikrant will go with Kriti. Okay, so we have broken quite a bit of ties, quite a few ties. Anything else we can break? No, we don't know about Zareen and Kriti who is. Okay, this says who is Shubham paired in the final. Shubham is paired with Zareen in the final. Option C will be our correct choice. Question number 3. If Rahul had been previously paired with Zareen, then who gives the intro to Shubham in the final? Rahul had been paired with Zareen previously. So Rahul is paired with Zareen, which means this will be Kriti. Right, now this breaks one tie. Can you know who is going to be with Shubham in the final? Shubham is still either Zareen or Kriti. Right, we don't know whether Kriti is here or here. Right, so depending on where the second instance of Kriti is, it can be either with Shubham or Vikrant. Right, so depending on where the second instance of Kriti is, Shubham or Vikrant will be given introduction by either Aryan or Rahul. See, unlike the previous one where I could break some of the more ties, right, here I can break only one tie. Right, and this tie I cannot break, so option D will be a correct choice. Cannot be determined will be your answer. Okay, and the last one. If Aditi is introduced by Shubham, okay, which means this is Vikrant. This is one tie broken. Right, which means Vikrant was paired with Deepika earlier. Vikrant is paired with Deepika earlier, which means Shubham is paired with Kriti earlier, which means Shubham will go to Zareen in the final, Vikrant will go to Kriti in the final. Question is, who is paired with Vikrant in the final? Vikrant in the final is Kriti. Option A will be your correct choice. Right, it's a brilliant set. The introduction part was basically about the splits villa, which probably gave you some parts in your mind. Then you have to figure out how how each person is. We actually had to figure out who comes 3 times. Deepika comes 3 times. Shivani is the one who comes only once. Everyone else comes 2 times. Then there is this intro complication over here. Then you have all these multiple ties. Once you reach these multiple ties, then you have to go again case by case to solve the questions. It's a difficult level set to solve. It will probably take you upwards of 12 minutes in an exam situation. That completes this particular session on Break the chain. If you liked it, please do share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. Please do subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment on how you felt this video was. If you want, and if you have any suggestions on any other videos which we need to do during this period, please do let us know. If you would like to, do look at our courses. The link is available in the description. Till we meet again the next time, goodbye and stay safe.